Man, oh man, I'm sitting here wondering. It's like, man, 5:05 in the morning on Labor Day. Sorry for the light. Anyway, all light shines in darkness. You know what I'm saying? But I'm sitting here trying to figure out why am I here on Labor Day, changing the oil in my rigs. The thing is, I don't need to figure it out. I know why, because I'm different. Most are at were at a barbecue or something last night, turning up, talking about the people that they were kicking it with, and you know, in reality, they want to be them, but they don't want to do the things necessary to be them, or to be like them, or to get where they are. So they sit back and they talk about one another instead of getting with them and coming up together. These have been my experiences. We plan to turn up, but we don't plan to come up. Y'all follow what I'm saying? Everybody on time or fashionably late to the party. This is the party for me. It ain't about right now. It's about 5, 10, 15, 20 years from now. Y'all have to support one another, man. Get together, learn how to be an Indian, understand what it is to be an Indian. Then you can be a great leader. Y'all wash on. Peace.